Okay, so I'm going to reveal what happened with the pants that I showed you guys earlier. I redipped, redropped, and of course it's not the color. I'm not expecting the color that I was trying to get, but I had to do something to go ahead and cover up what was done. So let's see what we got. Okay, so let's just cut this and see what this color is turning out, or these patterns have turned out to produce. Okay, and of course, you know, it's going to be something else. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's still, this is the front inside of the pant leg. I really like that. That's really, really nice. Don't know if you can see that as well, but it is pretty. Look at that. That is pretty nice. Okay, and this is the back of the leg. This is the back. That is what it's looking like. Let's get the other one cut and let's see if we're gonna get something beautiful, hopefully, that it can be seen the way I need it to be seen. All right, that is better. That's the front of both legs. So we do have that color matching on the pant leg, and here is the other side. So I believe I'm going to be happy about it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. And we get the brown up there. So it looks like we're going to be happy about the color that we ended up with. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry fully, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the pants together and do whatever else I need to do with it, so I can move it on over to the other side with the other things that have been done and move on to the next, so that I can complete my collection for the shoot. So wish me luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell for my channel so that the algorithm can understand that you want to see more from me and I can produce more, because this is how I make my money as a fashion designer and through my YouTube channel. So go ahead and ding the bell. Ding.